And so as we settle into a practice that might be about 15 minutes or so, first set yourself up the body so that it can be comfortable. And I encourage you to really slow it down instead of just automatically putting yourself into a pose that you think will be supportive, but you might genuinely check in what is supportive. It might be going off to the couch, even if it means you won't be on screen, or lying down on the floor, or doing walking practice up and down your hallway. So just start setting yourself up for that. And I don't know, if it feels supportive, you can bring your hands to your body and take a deep breath. We're not necessarily needing the breath to change anything, but opening up to if it does. And at the same time, tuning into the warmth of the hands to the body if you are placing the hands to the body. And again, if it's supportive, you can close your eyes, but sometimes there could be a lot of energy or anxiety in the body, in which case looking out a window or looking around your room is helpful. And whether your eyes are closed or not, take a moment to silently name to yourself 3 to 5 things you're noticing in this moment, like the sound of my voice, the temperature of the room, maybe a pleasant or unpleasant sensation. And if you feel like you can keep your hands to your body, if not, feel free to shift. And more intentionally turn your attention inward. And in particular, notice the posture you're in. And tune into qualities like heaviness or lightness. So that might show up in how the body is resting on the ground or the ways it comes into contact with the ground. And as well, notice qualities like hardness and softness. Slow things down. Slow down your noticing. Slow down your feeling. Slow down your thinking, breathing, whatever you're able. Place your attention on an anchor that's supportive. It might be loving kindness phrases, it might be noticing sound, might be something else. And as you shift your attention to this anchor, continue to bring in the elements of slowing down, as well as noticing the ways your body is in touch with the ground. Maybe this heaviness, this deep contact. Because we can only be aware of one thing at a time, your attention might be first on the body, then on the intention to slow down, and then on your anchor. If you haven't already, invite kindness to show up. And really just kindness toward yourself and toward your experience. Not needing it to be different. not placing conditions on it, but instead choosing to meet this moment with kindness or like a good friend. Noticing the body in contact with the earth and slowing down and returning to your anchor. Body, slow, anchor. And just a few moments left of this practice. You can continue practicing as you are, maybe even inviting the body to relax more fully. Or you might let go of any way of practicing and just rest. You do so much already. So can these last minute or two be an opportunity or a place where you can not do, can simply be. Nowhere to go, no one to be, just this. Feel free to close out your practice or move and stretch in any way.